Welcome to day 7 of our 30-day English speaking course. You've already completed a full week. Congratulations! You're building real speaking confidence. Today we'll learn how to make polite requests and ask for help in English, a skill that is useful every single day. Let's begin. Part 1. Why politeness matters. In English, being polite is very important. Native speakers often use soft, respectful phrases, especially when asking for something. Instead of saying, "Give me water," we say, "Could I have some water, please?" Politeness shows respect, and it helps you sound friendly and natural. Part 2. Common polite request phrases. Here are the most common ways to make a polite request. Can you? Could you? Would you mind? Would it be okay if? I'd like to, please. May I? Examples. Can you help me, please? Could you open the window? Would you mind repeating that? I'd like to order a coffee, please. May I use your phone? Repeat after me. Can you help me? Could you pass the salt? Would you mind turning off the light? I'd like to speak with the manager. May I come in? Great. Now try making your own polite requests. Part 3. Asking for help. Here are some useful phrases. I need some help. Can you help me, please? Could you show me how to do this? I don't understand. Can you explain it again? I'm lost. Can you give me directions? Repeat. I need help with this form. Can you help me find this place? I don't understand. Could you explain? Try saying these with your own examples. Part 4. Offering help to others. Now let's learn how to offer help politely. Say, "Can I help you?" Do you need help? Would you like me to assist you? Let me help you with that. Examples. You look lost. Can I help you? Would you like me to carry that? Let me show you how it works. Repeat with me. Do you need help? Can I help you find something? Let me carry that for you. Offering help makes conversations more natural and warm. Part 5. Saying yes or no politely. When someone offers help or makes a request, here's how to reply politely. Saying yes. Sure. Of course. No problem. I'd be happy to. Yes, go ahead. Saying no. I'm sorry, I can't. I'd love to, but I'm busy right now. I'm afraid I can't help with that. Maybe later. Examples. A. Can you help me with this? B. Sure. What do you need? A. May I use your phone? B. I'm sorry, I need it right now. Repeat and practice polite yes and no responses. Part 6. Practice situations. Let's try a few examples. At a restaurant. You. Could I see the menu, please? Waiter. Of course, here you go. You. I'd like a cup of tea, please. Waiter. Sure. Anything else? In a store. You. Excuse me. Can you help me? Worker. Sure. What are you looking for? You. I'm looking for shoes. Worker. Right this way. In class. You. I don't understand this part. Could you explain it again? Teacher. No problem. Let me help you. Now practice these scenes using your own voice. Part 7. Bonus vocabulary. Helpful words. Here are more helpful phrases. Excuse me. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. I appreciate it. That's very kind of you. No worries. Use these phrases to sound polite and friendly. Examples. Excuse me, could I borrow a pen? Thank you so much. That's very kind of you. Repeat after me. Part 8. Review time. Today we learned how to make polite requests, how to ask for help, how to offer help, how to reply politely, and useful expressions for real-life situations. This lesson will help you in school, at work, while traveling, everywhere. Quiz time. Please answer these in the comment section below. The correct answers are available in the PDF file linked in the description box below. 1. What is a polite way to ask someone to open the door? 2. How would you offer help to a person who dropped something? 3. Complete the sentence. Excuse me, could you blank, please? Fantastic job finishing day 7. Tomorrow in day 8, we'll learn how to talk about the past using simple sentences. Keep going. You're doing amazing.